Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to change language on NotebookLM. So guys, the first step you need to do, log it in with your Google account, sign up with Google account. And after that, as you can see here guys, we found any option to change language here from here. What you have to do, go to your Google and the account, make sure you have the same account for your here. After that, search for ing, click this one, language, and from here you'll find this pencil icon. Click this one and choose the language you want to change. For example, English, click this language and click language, as you can see here, country of languages, for example Australia, and click record. And after that, your language change it successfully without any problems. For example, you make this language, as you can see here, and required, as you can see here guys, that language was changed successfully without any problems. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.